Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm sharing a little cleaning inspiration here with a little twist. My little ones were here off of school for a teacher's work day, so I'll bring you along the process as we get this home tidy back up for the upcoming work and school week. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just starting here in the kitchen, getting it tidy back up. I just made them breakfast, and I want them to be well energized, so when we start this work and tidying up, I don't have to hear, I'm hungry. So I'm starting here, getting the kitchen back tidy. Unfortunately, Darnell was not here to join us with this house cleaning fun. He did have to work, so we'll get him the next time. Here I'm just filling up a little trash can filled with some warm soapy hot water so my little one can start working on his little chores and section of the home, and it works out really well. It's a perfect size for them.
Maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
One child down and two more to go. So here I'm filling up another trash can so my middle child can start his process as well.
Take you like a pill.
Now that I have the boys started on their chores, I'm going to have April to start here in the bathroom. I want her to completely deep clean their bathroom and get ready for the school week.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Flush it down the toilet.
Yeah, please.
Because it says you can flush it. It says you can flush this down the toilet.
What is it?
It's the toilet paper roll.
You and your dad are so, he was so excited trying to do it. Biodegradable.
Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
My children were not thrilled about this house cleaning process, but it took less time. We all pitched in. We all live in this home. So I think it's so important to train your children to keep a tidy home. So I am a true believer in hands-on help. So I hope this inspires someone somewhere to encourage your children to help out at all ages with the housework. And I also try to give each child a task that I know that they will be really great with. So like him, I know he will love to vacuum, and the other one will love to use his toothbrush because he likes cleaning things with toothbrushes as well. So that's what I tried to do, is give the children tasks that I know they will absolutely won't have too much problems with.
Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will.
Yes, even my 10-year-old knows how to wash a load of clothes. Well, if you enjoyed these videos with the whole family tidying up the home for the work week, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would love, love, love to have you over here. I want to thank each and every last one of you for rocking out with us on this beautiful video. We got so much accomplished and we were so ready to tackle this work week. I encourage each and every last one of you to have a great week, and I hope you have a tidy home to start out the work week as well. And until the next time.